In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop sharing spam instantly on Google Drive. If you've been dealing with unwanted spam or files that have mysteriously appeared in your Google Drive, don't worry. I'll guide you through some simple steps to help you regain control and clean up your space efficiently. First, let's head over to Google Drive. Open your browser and navigate to your Google Drive homepage. Typically, you can do this just by typing Google Drive into your search bar and selecting the appropriate link. Once there, you'll find yourself at the home screen, which is the main dashboard where all your files are visible. Now what we want to do is focus on the files that have been shared with you. So look for the Shared with Me section, typically located on the left-hand side of your Google Drive interface. Click on that and it will open a list of files and documents that other users have shared with you. This area often contains materials you might not recognize or need, especially if someone you don't know shared something. As you review the list, identify the file or files you no longer wish to see. Let's assume you found that pesky spam file. Click on it to select it. You'll notice that once you click on a file, a series of options appear, designed to give you control over what to do next. The next step is to get rid of any content that might be spam. Find the option called Report or Block by hovering over the file. This might be located in a drop-down menu, or as an icon that appears once the file is highlighted. This feature is particularly useful for handling unwanted content, because it helps you manage your collaborations and interactions on Google Drive. After hovering over Report or Block, you'll need to take decisive action against the person responsible for the spam. Click on the option that says Block the person's email. This action will prevent the user from sending you more files in the future, thus reducing the spam you receive. When you block someone's email address in Google Drive, it restricts them from sharing files with you, ensuring your drive remains tidy and free from unwanted content. And there you have it. Those are the steps to stop sharing spam on Google Drive instantly. By following this simple process, you not only clear up your workspace, but also prevent future interruptions from unwanted sources. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips.